2025 Range Rover Sport. We done S96 alarm. So as you can see, we've got two tags here. One, they're present with the vehicle. I lock the vehicle, you get 1 beeps and 1 indication flash. Unlock gives you 2 beeps and 2 indication flashes. Obviously, if at any point I arm the system up, just gonna arm it here. If I arm the system and I either open the door or I switch the ignition on, the alarm is gonna go off. Currently, right now, you'll be getting a phone call to the provided number. So you're getting a phone call, app notification, and also a alert via the app to let you know, obviously, it has been detected. So we can switch the system off here. We've also done a Ghost Immobiliser. So how the Ghost Immobiliser works, once we're in the vehicle, we can start the vehicle up. Now, what we can do, if I jump in, if I start the vehicle, as you can see, there is no power to your gearbox assembly here. So with there being no power, what we can do is put the password for the vehicle. Password right now is your front passenger window 3 times. So it'll be 1, 2, 3. We're going to see it flash up. There we go. Now we have the ability to drive the vehicle. That is how the passwords work on these vehicles. So for a service mode, we are going to put our password. So the engine's on. We have entered our password already. We're gonna just put our front passenger window 5 times. This will now go into its service mode by indicating with the blue flash. It also will indicate down below. Now if we switch the vehicle off, how you know it's in service mode is by starting the vehicle and the gearbox will be automatically put on. Now what we're going to do is take it back out of service mode by entering our password. As you will see, the flashes will indicate at the top. There you go, that's back into its normal mode. On this vehicle as well, we also put in headrest screens, so we'll show you these as well. So if I go to now rear of the vehicle, we are going to switch the system on. As you can see, we have put the original Land Rover displays on there, and once they turn on, you get ambient lighting along the bottom, as you can see along my fingers here, and as you can see on this chair here. So you get the ambient lighting. You can change that between, I believe, 8 different colors, and we'll show you how the system looks. With it turning on, the customer has opted in for this format of the system on here. So if I go to apps, you get certain things, HDMIs, App Store, Play Store, all of the normal things on there. Netflix, YouTube, all are standard. It's got its inbuilt speakers, it's got Bluetooth compatibility, so you can connect Bluetooth headphones such as AirPods. As long as this has a Wi-Fi access, obviously this vehicle has the ability for the SIM card tray. So the customer is going to pay for the SIM card subscription, allows him to now have internet access at all times on the headrest screens. And again, on this one, it's your home screen, internet, file browser, so on and so forth. That's pretty much it. If you have any questions, queries, contact us 0208 554 5554.